And hi, it's me, Denny Daniel, and I'm here with
Ray.
Serena.
Matt.
And they came all the way from all over the country, well, Pennsylvania and New York, kind of all over the country. And they went through the whole museum. It took about a week or two. They had breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a week or two here. And now they're going to go through these three items. I've got this one over here, this giant one over here, and then I can't even get it through everything here. And then I've got this little one over here, and then I've got this medium but heavy one over here, and I like to do this like a 42nd Street shell game, which I'm born and raised and remember, where a guy would show up with 3 shells, and he would he'd put a quarter under one and mix up the shells, and then you had to guess which one had the quarter, and you'd win something. The only difference here is I don't have 3 shells. There isn't a quarter under any of my boxes, and you win nothing. So ethically, it's exactly like a New York shell game if you think about it. The only similarity is this: I will be mixing them up. So here is me mixing up the boxes.
All right.
So are you guys confused? Yes? Are you confused?
Yeah, I'm confused enough.
Yeah, good. Otherwise I'd have to do this all day long. Okay, let me get them off of you before you get crushed. And, okay, so each one of you pick a box to open.
I'll take the small one.
Good.
Mama Bear took the baby box.
The
And
box.
you want that one? Can you get that? There you go. And then
Right.
that leaves this one for Baby Bear. There you go.
Okay.
All right, just have at it.
Yep. Just try not to cut each other. Or
We'll do our
yourselves.
best.
Or the cat. But I do have Civil War surgical tools that I can cure you with if you do cut each other or yourselves. And they don't require things like sterilizing them or anesthesia. A shot of whiskey and you're fine. This is like the coolest box.
Yeah. I'm so curious about what's in there.
Kind of like going to the Met and opening the
Here, I
mummies.
was thinking it was the-
Just, I don't know if I ordered any.
I've got a lot of work to do here.
Oh, I'm gonna put that away over there.
It's a box within a box within a box.
And it's one of those
You can Christmas that way.
Russian
briefly.
dolls.
Who did that? Was that you? The box within a box within
No,
a box?
I wouldn't do that to anyone. That was Evelyn.
Yeah, that makes sense.
As a joke, we used to do that, like, during Hanukkah in our house, we'd do this big box and then in the middle.
Yeah, exactly.
The actual gift. That one.
But she did it to you. You were involved.
She
somehow.
did, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All
Some
right.
sort of frame item.
Christmas paper.
Oh, yeah?
Ah.
Cool. Perfect timing for that.
All right.
That's okay.
Ooh, there's some free envelopes.
Oh, I always need more envelopes to protect stuff with.
I think I won't need scissors for this.
Perfect. You could even kind of cut like that.
Yeah. There you go. Last slide.
Wow. Those are Magic Lantern slides? They already arrived?
Oh, wow.
I told you I'm ordering more, but I didn't know they arrived by... And that must be like the mother load, because that box is
That's a heavy box.
There must
Oh,
be
yeah,
a
it's got
million
7 more.
slides in there. Oh my lord, that is like... I could be doing like a full week of glass slide presentations. So these are original Magic Lantern slides. And wow, there's the original booklet that I mentioned to you.
Yeah.
So these are Magic Lantern slides that go in the projector, the Magic Lantern. This one here, the story on this one is The Life of Joseph
Oh, cool.
and the Technicolor coat. Oh my lord, this is a really cool one. So we'll show one of those slides to the world. Wow.
Oh, awesome.
That's really, really beautiful. And here is the original, so that's slide 1. And there is the booklet that you would have read through. And so now this isn't the magic lantern it would have used. This is a postcard magic lantern. It would have used a different one. So that's one of the magic lanterns to show the humans in TV land. And this is another that would use the rectangular slides. But these are square slides, of course.
And
But
these
yeah,
are
that
the
is for my
rectangular
newest show that I'm going to be doing.
Cool.
These are rectangular slides.
Oh,
A trip
wow.
across our continent: Boston, New York, Washington, Niagara Falls, Yellowstone, and Yosemite.
How cool. Oh my God. This is
But the
I can't
boxes-
believe they've already started to arrive. Yeah, the
boxes.
box is totally
2
falling
pieces.
apart. That happens. How beautiful. This is such a nice box. And let's take a look at one of the actual slides. So that would have gone in my glass slide one that I have over there. Although these are very much larger slides.
Very cool.
That's Washington.
Yeah.
And this is New York. I found the New York one. So on Tuesday, I'm going to show this for my show for the borough president. That's cool.
Here's Washington back.
Take Washington back.
Oh, yeah.
You're giving it back to me or the Indians?
What is that?
I don't know. Looks like someone
There's a
with
bear.
an elephant.
Or something.
Huh.
Some kind
Maybe
of
it's the
large
Elephant
animal.
Hotel in Coney Island. This is beautiful. Wow. And it has like all the description for each one of those
So
locations.
that's Washington.